Today, I plan a vacation. I am in France. I want to travel. I live in France. I want to go on vacation. I choose India. I pack my bag. I pack clothes. I pack shoes.
Key vocabulary: bag, clothes, passport.
I am at the airport. The airport is busy. I have a ticket. I wait for the plane. I am excited. I am on the plane. The plane is big. I sit down. I eat food. I sleep a little. The flight is long. I feel tired.
Key emotions vocabulary: tired, happy, calm.
I arrive in India. It is warm.
Key sentences: I am in India. The weather is warm. I feel happy.
I walk outside. I see many people. I see many colors. The streets are busy.
Key vocabulary: people, streets. Colors:
I eat Indian food. It is spicy.
Key sentences: I eat rice. I eat curry. I like the food.
I visit a holy place. It is quiet.
Key vocabulary: temple, quiet. Respect:
My vacation is over. I remember India. I remember the people. I remember the food. I remember the places. India is beautiful. I will never forget this trip.